Hey guys, so today I'm going to unboxing the Huawei Nova 5T. As you all know that this is a phone launched in August 2019 last year, so now I have it. I signed a contract with my local data plan provider, DG. Uh, all DG users may know what this is, okay? So for new viewers of this video, this is actually signed contract and this is a very good phone. So this is my unboxing video. So as you can see, we have already taken out the phone, the Huawei Nova 5T coming out, and next is the charger, earphones, and the power adapter. And it has a phone cover itself, built a cover that is inside, so it's already prepared for you. So this is the phone. As you can see, the side selfie camera is over there, and it looks like the Samsung selfie camera built into the screen. And I have bought the crushed blue version of the phone, and yeah, and I have already opened.